welcome to this command prompt tutorial. Today, we will show you 20 basic but important CMD commands. We will explain what each command does, how to type it, and what you will see when you run it. Let's get started.
Config. This command shows your computer's current network settings like your IP address and gateway. It helps you understand how your computer connects to the internet or network. Type in CMD, ifconfig, then hit enter. Here, you see your IPv4 address and other network info. This is useful when troubleshooting internet problems. Next is ping. It tests if your computer can reach another device or website on the internet. Let's try ping google.com. Type ping google.com, then hit enter. The replies mean your internet is working, and the time show how fast the connection is. The hostname command shows your computer's name on the internet. This is helpful if you want to identify your device. Type hostname, then enter, and you'll see the name that identifies your computer to others. Sometimes the screen gets cluttered. Type CLS to clear everything and get the clean screen. Type CLS plus enter. The screen becomes empty, removing all previous commands and outputs. This makes the window clean and easier to read when you want to start fresh. Use echo to display any message on the screen or create a file, for example. Hi Echo Sir Polo. Type echo Sir Polo and then click enter. You can use this to display message or to check if your commands are working.
For the next command line, the tree commands show all the folders and subfolders inside your current directory in a tree-like structure. When you type tree and press enter, it displays a visual map of how your folders are organized, making it easy to see the folders hierarchy. The task list command line lists all the program and background process currently running on your computer. When you type task list and press enter, CMD show you their names and process IDs. This helps you see what software is using your system resources. The del command line deletes files from your computer. For example, if you type del bc2de and press enter, you will see a confirmation that show Y and N. If you press Y, the file name bc2de will be permanently removed from the current folder. Be careful because this action can't be undone. The robocopy command copies a whole folder, including all the files and subfolder inside it. If you type robocopy os101c1 to os101c2/e and press enter, CMD copies everything from os101c1 into a new folder called os101c2. As you can see in the dir, there's a 2 copy. This is useful when you want to back up a project folder or move all your files at once without missing anything, even the empty folders. The move command moves files from one location to another. For example, if you type move os101.txt to bc2de and press enter, the CMD move os101.txt into the folder name bc2de and display one file's move. This helps keep your files organized by placing them in the correct folders.
The type command displays the context of text file on the screen. When you type os101.txt and press enter, CMD show everything written inside os101.txt. This lets you quickly read the file without opening another program. The exit command closes the command prompt window. When you type exit and press enter, CMD will shut down, ending your command line session safely. The start command opens another program or file. For example, if you type start notepad and press enter, it will open the notepad app. You can use this command to launch any program directly from the command line. The task kill command stops a running program or process. For example, if you type task kill imnotepad.exe/f and press enter, it forces the notepad program to close immediately. This is useful if a program is frozen or not responding. The help command shows a list of all available commands and brief description. When you type help and press enter, CMD displays this list, which is useful if you want to learn what commands you can use.
And followed by /?, like copy /?. CMD shows detailed information about how to use that command, including options and examples. This is helpful for learning more advanced features of any command. To find command searches for specific words or phrases inside a file, if you type find follow project.txt and press enter, CMD will search project.txt for the word follow and show you all the lines containing it. This helps you quickly find information inside large text files. The dir/w command lists all files and folders in the current directory in a wide format. When you type dir/w and press enter, it shows many items in each line so you can see more files at once without scrolling. The attrib command shows special attributes of files, such as if they are hidden or read-only. When you type attrib and press enter, CMD lists these properties for files in the current folder. This helps you understand file permissions and visibility. The system info command shows detailed information about your computer. For example, if you type system info and press enter, it will display your system's name, Windows version, processor, memory, and more. You can use this command to check your PC specs or troubleshoot issues, especially when you need to know system details quickly.